Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today is just a quick video tip on how to solve crashing problems in Vegas Pro. So it's very simple. Holding the control key down and the shift key down, left click on your icon. This message is going to come up. Do you want to reset all Vegas Pro preferences to default values? Click here, delete all cached application data, and select yes. Now what's going to happen is going to reset everything in Vegas. You're going to lose all your render settings, you're going to lose all your saved render or rendered video location settings. Everything's going to be reset, but this will solve almost all of your crashing problems. It worked for me. I'm on Vegas Pro 16. I refuse to buy 17 because it's too unstable, but for Vegas Pro 16, after doing this, it's now stable. It's not crashing anymore. So just a quick tip I wanted to pass along. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.